Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for physics in Neet step by step. Start by outlining the syllabus and prioritizing mechanics and electromagnetism, then set weekly objectives and daily targets. Use focused 45-minute sessions with short breaks and summarize concepts after problem practice. Build a habit of weekly tests to measure improvement and revise weak topics soon to maintain steady progress and confidence in exam readiness. Revise formulas daily and group related equations together to reduce cognitive load and aid recall during exams. Read explanations before attempting numerical problems and focus on understanding derivations and assumptions. Create flashcards for quick review of formulas and concepts and teach topics aloud to cement learning. Rotate subjects weekly to maintain variety, and use previous papers to spot recurring themes, and adapt your study plan for steady improvement and confidence. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Oala water bottle. Check the link in the description for this model and other deals. Using a reliable bottle keeps study sessions smooth and your focus sharp during long revisions. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on solving full-length practice sets to build exam stamina and pacing, then analyze performance to find weak areas. For every wrong answer, determine whether it was a conceptual gap, calculation slip, or careless error, and record the fix. Practice numerical estimation and unit checks to catch errors early, and create reusable templates for kinematics and circuits problems. Pair timed quizzes with weekly reviews to track progress and boost problem-solving speed effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.